And so
Yeah.
for CEO, for me, I've got a dashboard that's really clear. And on that dashboard, we have our vision, mission, values, purpose in one area, the things that never change. Then we have all of the key metrics that matter, the two or three or four key metrics that matter. And in this case, balance sheet was part of it, where that was never part of it. That was buried in a P&L or in a,
Right.
financial statement somewhere where we only talked about it during that one meeting.
But you're talking about balance sheet being one part of your operational metrics that you're looking at.
it was, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And things like return on invested capital, and we're looking at inventory, we're looking at margin analysis, all of these things that again that drive our business. Every business is different, but our
Yeah.
economic engine.
Lance was showing me your updated dashboard, and he showed me the old one and the new one. Lance is a dream to work with, and
Yeah, he is.
he's obsessed with doing great work, and he's well suited for you and your team. Everyone has a different fit.